Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the simple process of activating your Hilton Honors credit card. Today, welcome to our channel. Activating your Hilton Honors credit card is a straightforward process that unlocks access to exclusive travel rewards and benefits. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, locate the activation instructions included with your card delivery. These often come in the welcome packet or on a sticker attached to the card itself. Next, gather the necessary information, typically your credit card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth or other personal identifiers. Step 1. Activate by phone. Most Hilton Honors cards provide a dedicated activation phone number. Simply call this number using a phone where you can hear clearly. You will be guided through an automated system, or speak directly with a customer service agent. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and complete activation. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Hilton Honors credit card website or the bank's online portal. You will find a section specifically for card activation. Enter your card number and personal details. As prompted, make sure to create or log into your secure account. If required, this option offers convenience by allowing you to activate your card anytime and anywhere. Step 3. Activate via mobile app. If the card issuer provides a mobile app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. After logging in or registering your account, locate the card activation option, enter your details as requested, and confirm activation. Step 4. Verify activation. Once you have activated your card by any method, wait a few minutes, then try making a small purchase or check your account status online to confirm the activation was successful. Step 5. Set up additional security features for enhanced protection. Consider enrolling in alerts for transactions and setting spending limits, or using biometric login. If available, this improves your card's security and your peace of mind. Remember to keep your card details private and never share your PIN or passwords with anyone. If you encounter any issues during activation, contact Hilton Honors customer service for assistance. They can help troubleshoot or confirm your card's status with confidence. Activating your Hilton Honors credit card opens the door to earning points on hotel stays, dining, and travel purchases. While enjoying exclusive member benefits, be sure to complete this activation promptly to start making the most of your rewards and elevate your next trip. Thank you for watching this step-by-step activation guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks about travel and credit cards.